actually sounds good. Okay, keep it running long enough to warm it up, then we'll try it to set to idle. Mild. Okay, keep it running. I'm going to strobe the ignition. Strobe check. That's solid as a rock. Okay, yesterday this bike would not idle. Today it sounds really, really good. We did quite a few things to it. I put a new pickup, Boyer pickup. That's a new one, and now the bike runs. I'm going to leave it in there. Wow, listen to that idle. Okay, now I put a new mag pickup in the Boyer, and I did as my good friend suggested and sealed around the exhaust pipe, which was loose. I've sealed it with aluminum tape and then smushed it in there nice and tight so it's no longer sucking wind, and I've been told that that will affect slow speed performance if the pipe is loose, and it was loose, so now it's tight. We double checked the valves, they're set to perfect 6 and 8. We went through the carburetor one more time, and I will say straight up, I don't know what solved the problem. I truly don't, but I do know that we did all those things since yesterday, and now we have a bike that starts and idles. And frankly, Kevin, give me a smile, because
it's a good day.
We have gotten there. I'll be darned. Okay, it's a good day. I'm going to dress it out and see if we can do a test ride.